Hey, it's Leah, and today I want to be able to show you how you can make $50 to $300 absolutely daily. Here's a simple way to get that, and here today I want to show you how you can see the proof of how this is working. Also, we do live presentations so you can get the training right here in the group and get started. Right here, $13,700 in 20 days. It all depends on your effort, so make sure that you can get into the training and get started. Right here, this is Adriana. People are learning $1,800 in 2 weeks. More and more coming in at the pro level. It's only $300 and you get paid over and over and over. Right here, received a payment of $300, $300, $300, $300, and $150, all earning from your smartphone. You can earn from anything from $50 to $300 from your smartphone, from your computer, and anywhere in the world. $300, constantly getting $300 because you want to get paid on all your levels. If that doesn't work in your budget, go ahead and get started. The starter level is only $50. Right here is $900 with Jenna. And you can see in here is just more and more. $300 with Amanda, another $900, another percentage, another $300, $300, welcoming more to the team. James has made $7,500 and earned with the system. Here you can go ahead and see that Daryl has made $300, another $300 here. So it's ongoing over and over and over. I love to help you get started. My name is Leah Fike, and I'll see you on my next video. Go ahead and click on the button and get started with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.